everyone, this is me Siddhant Faldesai, and today I would like to share my personal experience and also give my personal review on visiting one of Beijing's famous landmark. This famous landmark in Beijing is called the Summer Palace. The Summer Palace is a vast ensemble of lakes, gardens, and places in Beijing. It was an imperial garden in the Qing dynasty. Mainly dominated by Longevity Hill and Kunming Lake, it covers an expanse of 2.9 square kilometers, three quarters of which is water. The Summer Palace is the largest and the best preserved royal garden in China and also in the world. The Chinese call it the Yehe Yuan Garden of Restful Peace. Constructed around the Longevity Hill and the Kunming Lake, Summer Palace is a vast complex of gardens, palaces, lakes, and hills. It is a really beautiful place and it's quite picturesque. The landscaped gardens, temples, and pavilions were designed to achieve harmony with nature and to please the eye. Not only the landscape but also the designs of Summer Palace are the best examples among all the ancient gardens. Speaking about my personal experience on visiting the Summer Palace, well, honestly speaking, when I visited the Summer Palace, I found it really amazing and really beautiful. Well, as I said earlier, the place is quite picturesque and it's quite well maintained too in terms of the cleanliness around. It's a really clean place, and I would like to recommend all of y'all to visit the place. It's quite beautiful, quite mesmerizing, and quite picturesque. Well, I would also like to recommend all of y'all to visit the place if y'all ever visit Beijing, China, and if like the Summer Palace is part of your itinerary, I would recommend y'all to visit the place during the winter time, that is during November, December, because well, that is the time when the place looks really beautiful. The weather makes it look more amazing, and also honestly speaking, the lake freezes at that time, so it's a really beautiful. It looks really beautiful when the lake is frozen. Trust me, that's when I traveled, and that's how I found. Now it's up to you, how you find a place. Also, speaking about the traveling to the location, well, it's not that far away. It's just a half an hour ride from the main city of Beijing to the Summer Palace, and I'm sure you will not face any problem regarding transportation. Well, yeah, there's a language problem over there. Well, that's China, of course. There's a language problem, but if you hire a tour guide, I'm sure you will not face any problem about that too. So now it's up to you whether you want to travel to Beijing and visit the Summer Palace. It's a really beautiful place, and I would like to recommend all of y'all to visit the Summer Palace. And that was my personal experience and my personal review regarding the Summer Palace. The architecture around it is really beautiful, and that's what I feel makes it quite picturesque. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Plan Trips TV, and do visit the Summer Palace. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. Bye bye.